The Google Pixel 9 Pro. It's the Google's latest flagship smartphone, combining advanced hardware and Google's refined Android 14 experience. So, here's everything you need to know. The Pixel 9 Pro has a premium build featuring Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back, an aluminum frame at 152.8mm in length, 72mm in width, and 8.5mm in thickness, and 199 grams. It's IP68 rated, meaning it's durable against dust and water, available in porcelain, rose quartz, hazel, and obsidian colors. Its sleek design is complemented by its thin bezels and rounded edges. The Pixel 9 Pro boasts a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display, delivering vibrant visuals with 1280 by 2856 pixels or resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz with 3000 nits of peak brightness, which has ensured smooth interactions and impressive clarity, perfect for gaming or media consumption. Equipped with the Google's custom Tensor G4 chip and paired with 16GB of RAM with 1TB of storage, it handles multitasking with ease and powers machine learning tasks efficiently. It has a 50-megapixel main camera sensor with dual pixel PDAF and OIS, a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This setup includes Ultra HDR, pixel shift, multi-zone laser autofocus, and can record up to 8K at 30 FPS. And the 42-megapixel front camera offers 4K video recording, perfect for detailed selfies or vlogs. The Pixel 9 Pro is backed up by a 4700 mAh battery, achieving around 13 hours of active usage, and has included charging of 27-watt wired and 21-watt wireless charging, with also reverse wireless charging, and the Pixel Stand 2 also includes 12-watt wireless charging or normal charging for convenience. Launching on Android 14, the Pixel 9 Pro is supported for several years. Features are including a ultra-wideband support, circle to search for expanded lens capabilities mode, satellite SOS, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3. Additionally, there's the under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and wide sensor. Suits make it a secure and user-friendly device. And there you have it, guys. That's the end, or that's what's everything you need to know about the Pixel 9 Pro. So that's it for today. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. And see you in the next episode.